Good day, everyone. Welcome to this, our second part of lesson on money. Remember, in the first part, we look at Jamaican coins. Now today, we'll be going a little further. We'll be looking at our Jamaican notes. I hope you remember those coins that we looked at already. These are some of the coins we looked at before. $1 coin, $5, $10, and the $20 coin. Now, boys and girls, we'll be going a step further today. We'll be looking at the Jamaican notes. But before we do that, let's look at our objectives. By the end of this lesson, we should be able to tell the worth of a set of notes and coins. Use the dollar and decimal point to represent money. Make change using notes and coins. Now I know you're aware of some of the notes we use in our day-to-day life, but I just want to show you a sample of each of these notes. Let's take a peek at them. While we're going through them, I'd love for you to call the names along with me. $50 note, $100 note, $500 note, $1,000 note, and the $5,000 note. Now that you have looked at these notes, you are going to now look carefully because we would like to find out the value of some of these notes when they're placed together. So we'll be doing some amount of addition here. You'll have to pay attention carefully. Let's go on to the first slide. Each note here is a $50. We have 4 of them. What's the total value of the notes here? $50, and it's 4 of them. So 50 multiplied by 4 gives us $200. Or we can count by saying 50 plus 50, that is 100, plus another 50, that is 150, and another 50, that would be $200. So the total value of the notes here would be $200. How would you write $200 using the dollar symbol and the decimal point? Do you think you know how to do that? What is the value of the notes shown here? Here you have $1,000 note, $100 note, and a $50 note. Do you think you could write this using the dollar symbol and the decimal point? We have 1,150. Let's look at some options to see if you can select from them. Look at the options here. If you said it is B, then you are correct. B is showing us $1,150. We're now going to look at some notes and coins and tell the total value of the ones shown here. Let's look at them. There is $100 note, two $50 note, two $20 coin, and a $10 coin. What is the total value of all the coins and notes shown here? Did you say $250? Then you are correct. With the coins we observed before and the notes we looked at today, we're going to use them to make $510. Here is an example of $510. We have one $500 note and a $10 coin. So this is $510. Another way we could show this is by using 5 $100 note and 2 $5. That also shows $510. I'd love for you to explore other ways with your teacher where you can make $510 using the coins and notes we looked at today. Remember, when we looked at the first lesson, we looked at Sam's grocery shop. Here is an example of it again. I want you to look closely at the price list. Now I'm going to ask you to use coins and notes and to decide whether you can purchase anything from Sam's grocery shop. Let's move on to the question. If you wanted to buy a milk and a pack of crackers, how much would it cost? Let's look at the price list again. The milk costs $95 and the crackers $80, so the total cost for those things would be $175. If you get that answer, then you are correct. If the milk and the crackers cost $175, what would be your change from $200? Let me give you a few seconds to work that out. Very good. If you said $25, then you are correct. Tap yourselves on the shoulder. I hope from this lesson you'll be able to identify Jamaican notes when you see them in your day-to-day activities. Now let's review the objectives. Did we tell the worth of a set of notes and coins? I'm sure we did. Did we use the dollars and decimal point to represent money? Yes, we did. Did we make change using notes and coins? I'm sure we did. Thank you for participating and see you next time around.